Ah. Where did I put my glasses today? Oh, my memory is like an old sieve.
It is okay, Grandpa. We can help you.
Get ready, everyone. We are going to the zoo.
I want to see the fast, scary lions.
I want to see the elephants today.
Elephants are slow and boring, just like you. That is not a nice thing to say.
They never forget a face, you know?
You can sit next to me, Grandpa.
Stay close together so we do not get lost.
The lions are this way. Let us go! Haha. They are just sleeping like big, lazy cats. Look! They are playing tag with each other.
The elephants are near the big water hole. This walk is taking a very long time. Is the old one still here, young man? Do you mean Daisy? She is very old now.
I do not see any elephants here.
She is coming. I can feel her feet.
She is so big. She is like a mountain. She is just standing there eating some dry grass.
Daisy is very shy with new people today.
Hello. Hello, old friend. It has been many years.
Why is she making that terrible, loud sound?
She never makes that sound for the visitors.
We should move back now.
She's just happy to see us, Clara. See?
Do not be afraid. She is just saying hello.
She is looking at Grandpa's eyes so carefully.
She's very gentle, Clara. Look. She is not hurting him. She is hugging him. I knew you would remember me, Daisy.
Grandpa, how do you know her name is Daisy?
I saved her life a very long time ago. Are you Sam, the famous ranger from the forest? I was a ranger before I became a grandpa.
You were a real hero in the wild forest?
Yes, I was.
Your grandpa was very brave many years ago.
Please, tell us the story of Sam and Daisy.
Daisy was a tiny baby when I found her.
Was she scared when she was a little baby?
Her leg was stuck in a very heavy trap. I stayed with her in the rain for 3 days. I had to be very strong to break the metal.
What is that mark, Grandpa?
This is the ranger scar. She is listening to your voice, Sam. I gave her my own water and my food.
She was not alone because you were there. I thought you were just an old, boring man.
I am old, Leo, but I have many stories.
Would you like to feed Daisy with your grandpa?
Is she gonna bite my fingers off, Grandpa?
No, she is as gentle as a summer breeze.
That felt like a giant, wet vacuum cleaner. She has a very funny and fuzzy nose.
This is the most beautiful moment of the trip.
I missed you, my sweet gray girl.
Everyone is watching the elephant hero today.
That is my grandpa. He is a famous ranger.
I was just doing my job, little Leo.
Oh, she is happy because her hero is back.
Sam is the reason Daisy is here with us today.
Oh, please. It was a very long time ago.
I want to be a forest ranger, just like you.
You have a brave heart, Leo. You can do it.
She really loves him. It is so clear.
It is almost time for the zoo to close.
Goodbye for now, my dear old Daisy.
Goodbye, Daisy.
We'll miss you.
Be well, old friend. Grandpa, can I help you walk to the car?
Thank you, Leo. My legs are very tired now.
Look at how big Daisy is next to us.
She was very small and very scared then.
Wow. I promise I will never call you boring again.
It is okay, Leo. I am a bit slow now.
You are the best teacher for these kids, Dad.
We will bring you some warm tea and cookies.
Thank you, my brave little forest ranger.
They finally see the hero inside the man.
They can live for 70 years or more.
I feel like a young man again this morning.
I put a big red heart on her gray trunk.
It is beautiful. It looks just like her heart.
Officer Leo is ready for duty, Ranger Sam.
Very good, Leo. Let us go and protect the back garden today.
Oh no! This little bird cannot fly away.
Stay calm. We know exactly what to do.
We are a team of heroes now, Grandpa.
That's right, Leo. Every animal remembers kindness, my children.
I am happy that you are our Grandpa.
And I am happy you are mine. I thought I was just an old man. But Daisy reminded me, I am a hero.